Hey guys, today I have a very special unboxing that I'm going to be doing from a little company called Dirty Lamb. It's 100% natural skincare, and their hashtag is Dare to Get Dirty. Very cute. They're out of Ohio, and this is a very interesting card. They actually have their phone number, their Instagram at the Dirty Lamb, and save 30% off your first order with Save 30. So you can use this code. It's not connected to me, it's just there. But this is the first one. This is an Ultra Night Serum. This is going to hydrate and protect your skin. So it's hard to kind of share with you guys. Looks like a little bit is missing. I've not used this. This is just how it came. But I just love serums so much. I use them almost every single night, depending if I'm doing a lotion or a hydro mask or something like that. There's a couple more products in here, so let's see. So we have a coffee scrub and an invisible body milk. So what is this? This is natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and unisex, and you can use it on your face and body. This is a 2 ounce, and how it works is nourish your skin with the hydrating milk. Your skin will look younger as it seeps in deep into the creases and leaves a plump, youthful finish. And you just scoop the desired amount, rub it onto your skin, and absorbs. And it says for best results, use twice a day in the morning and night. Very exciting. I'm just gonna pop this open and see how we're looking here. It's a little tough to get off just because if there was a pull tab, that would be a little bit easier. And I don't really want to puncture it because I don't want my finger to go all the way through. I don't really want to use my teeth, but all right, here we go. There. Ooh, this is different than what I thought. So initially I thought the consistency would be like it moving around, but it looks pretty firm in there. But let's just see how this looks. It feels very like it kind of dissolves into like almost an oil. Ooh, but it smells delightful. What is it made out of? Shea butter. I felt that. Coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. Yes, oils. And tea tree essential oils. Amazing. Very cool. Excited to try this and wear it to bed. I can see my skin's glowing already. And then this is a coffee scrub. So, coffee scrubs are great. I think this is a really nice one I could take with me like on a trip, a quick weekend trip. 100% coffee, coconut oil, peppermint oil, dried mint leaves, and purified water. So that's pretty cool. Looking forward to try this. This also looks like it's there's not a lot of water in there. It looks pretty hard. So looking forward to trying that. Ooh, and there's one more. Almost forgot. Oh, Lip Rocks. Ooh, I love this. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free. And you hear it. It's just like, so there's sugar and then some olive oils, peppermint, vitamin E, and you just use it to do as a lip scrub. So that's really fun. I love lip scrubs. So this is really cool. Well, thanks to Dirty Lamb for sending these products, and I hope to see you later for another unboxing. Bye.